Available as an vacation rental at $12,000 per month. This spacious Barrymore floor-planned single-family home is located in Naples Reserve, a premier 5-star resort community. Residents enjoy world-class amenities including a waterfall lagoon-style pool and lap pool, state-of-the-art fitness center, Latitudes Café and Tiki Bar, fire pit, beach volleyball courts and bocce courts, Outrigger activity center, tennis and pickleball courts. Home features include 3 bedrooms plus den/office, 3.5 bathrooms, large master suite with garden tub, full-size shower and dual vanities, 2 guest bedrooms with twin beds, open concept kitchen and dining, perfect for entertaining, 3-car garage, screened lanai with stunning lake views, heated pool for year-round enjoyment. Don't miss the chance to live in this resort-style paradise. Information contained herein is deemed reliable but not guaranteed.